because look at this. They got military blue 4s. And of course, they got plenty of the mochas. And they do have the Kobe 9s right here. And then we got the Bad Bunny Gazelles right here. And of course, with the flex stores with this. What? Dodger starter jackets. Jumpman LA, finally back. If you need some Jordans, this is definitely the location to stop by. Jumpman, Los Angeles. Those of you guys new to the channel, this is a store that is run by Footlocker, but it is a collaboration between Nike and Footlocker. They used to give tours way back when, but they haven't done that in quite some time. The first story is run by Footlocker. Second and third stories are run by Nike. And they have events that you can sign up for through the Nike app. I don't think they've done that for quite some time though. But yeah, this is definitely one of the doper locations to check out. Cause look at this, they got military blue 4s, Jordan 4 military blue. What the hell is going on here? They get crazy restocks that other sneaker shops don't get. This is pretty much a tier 0 store. And of course, they got plenty of the mochas. These just released this morning. Jordan 1 low OG mochas with that super nice. I didn't mean to smash it like that, but super nice materials. Holy cow. ESG 6s right here. These are still go for $2. I've not seen this anywhere else. This is pretty dope. Such good material on all the PSG shoes. Freaking love that suede and Nupa combo. Yeah, it's a little dirty right there. That one's gonna be tough. I'm not going in any order, but you got the Space Jam 11s. These are definitely interesting because we have not seen these at too many spots. Not seen these too many spots. I almost brought out my 72 11s for today, but yeah, I'm going with some dunks later. I'll show you guys what that's about. I gotta wear a suit, and I was gonna go with the cap and gowns, but I didn't really want to wear the cap and gowns like that, especially since I might be running around in a suit today. Do got the 11 low IEs, 110 here, so I think that's the same price as the Footlocker outlet, right? Starting off with some of the pieces that I haven't seen at too many other spots. What the hell are these? What are these? Looks like it has baseball stitching and stuff. Materials also different as well. It does use tumbled leather, but the texture is a little bit different. $135 for these. I know some of y'all mad as hell in the comment section. My bad, dude. I don't know all the releases. I don't pay attention like that. $135 for these bad boys as well. And these are the ones that we saw for $200. Oh, was it mispriced? Because we saw these at a few places for $200. These are $125 here. All right, let's go one by one to each of the Jordan retros. All right, maybe not one by one, but they do got the lows. They got the mids right here. Also got some comforts. Jordan 1 glow greens. Are they on sale? $150 here. These got to be on sale, right? These have been on sale at every Nike outlet. $120 at this location. They got some comfort ones right here, go for $90. Comfort 2s right here, as well as these. Both go for regular price. What, 180? 180 is the regular price. And is this an 85 cut? This is a Jordan 1 High OG, but it looks like an 85. The cut's significantly different than the other one. Is that just in my head? I don't know. It looks like it. Is that in my head? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. And then dude got these bad boys right here. We've been seeing these on sale already at some of the retail shops, which is crazy. Man, Jordan releases have been crazy lately, man. 2s down to 120. 2 3s here on the retro wall, which is kind of interesting. Got the Python 2s. Right here, these still go for $175. Couple of 3s. But Lord, these kids behind me loud as hell, dude. $150 for the RMs. Right here, got 2 different colorways of the RMs. I haven't seen people talk about these too much in the comment section. I don't know. Then we covered the 4s right there. We also covered the PSG 6s. And we got the Olympic 6s right here, as well as the Oreo 6s still. Oh, these are $170, down from $200. These have been dropped a little bit. I think these came out at $210, $180, the current price, and got 11s. And then we saw these 2 earlier. And one Lonely 13 right here. And I'm good on those. I'm good on those. Even the 3M doesn't just hit right on that one. What the hell, dude? What the hell? And they do have signature shoes under the Jordan brand. Look at this, Tatum's in a colorway I've never seen. Tatum 2s right here. Why is he going so pastel with all of his colors? We've seen these. Gone with the denim as well. These are going for what, 125. And then the Luka 3s right here. I don't think I've seen this colorway anywhere. These are going for 130. I know for sure I've seen those. I don't know if I've seen these. But yeah, 3 different colorways of the Luka 3s. They got some leftover Luka 2s right here. These are the black cement colorway, 130 for these still. Jordan 37s. Are any of these on sale? Yeah, 110 for these. And if you have a survey coupon, you can grab that for $100. Make sure you guys always do the survey whenever you guys buy anything at Footlocker. I've had a few survey coupons now. I had none for like so long, and now I have a few, and I haven't bought anything lately. Well, other than at the Footlocker outlet, but you can't use them at the Footlocker. You get to do surveys, and then you get coupons from purchases at the Footlocker outlet, but you can't use them at the Footlocker outlet. You can use them at other Footlockers, but sometimes if you find something for 70% off, definitely worth using. Do got some Jordan 39s here in colorways I've never seen. This colorway, I've never seen this one. Not bad. Not bad. All black right here. All white right here. These are going for what, $2 bills? $215 now. That's what they're going for. Then they do got some Team J's 120 for the 312s right here. 312 Legacies, 145 for that one. Team 1's going for what, $80? Comfort 11's also going for $80 as well. You got the wet cement Jordan 4s. In a grade school though. This is only in grade school. 170 for these. And these should last forever, dude. Because you don't have to worry about the net turning yellow or anything. Yeah, these are pretty dope, dude. These are pretty dope. The UNC's in a women's right here. UNC to Chicago 120. Christmas ones, we've been seeing these on sale at a lot of spots. As well as these 2s, we've been seeing, oh wow, $70. Not bad, not bad. 90 for these Jordan 2s. That suede right there, a little bit dirty. Got the peach ones, camo ones, these yellow 4s right here as well. Got some Jordan hoodies that I've never seen anywhere else. This is pretty dope. It says Flight on the sides. I don't think I've ever seen this hoodie. They are going for $100. They do have stuff on sale here. The prices are sometimes marked. They're not always marked. So yeah, definitely ask. These are going for $60. This is a women's right here. That one's just hella clean with the gold Jumpman logo. And then do got these heavy duty hoodies right here. I guess they're medium duty, my bad. They look heavy, but yeah, it says 120. I don't know, we've seen stuff here even for 70% off, so definitely ask when you do come. And then I forgot, even on the little display over here, they got more and more J's right here, a bunch of 1s, mids, lows, highs, the latest Jordan 1 high release right there, and then the Niners colorway. These have been on sale, $60 here, and you could even use a survey coupon. Like I did say, this is pretty much a tier 0 shop. They got Travis Scott merch here. I just realized that. Holy cow. Holy cow. It says Air Jack on it. And they are going for retail, obviously, because it just came out. $65 for t-shirts. Y'all are ballers. I thought that was an Oakley's emblem, but no, I got Cactus Jack merch right here. Even got hoodies. Is this a Cactus Jack hoodie though? I don't think so. I think it's just a regular hoodie. But yeah, they do got merch. Cactus Jack merch right here. They got sweats. They got t-shirts. Okay. Always something happening downtown LA. Holy crap, that's loud. Holy cow. All right, we do have a Sheik, and we have a Footlocker. Well, let's see what's going on here. Those of y'all new to my channel, they have one of the dopest Jordan sections right here. They got the dope 23 shelf right here. Got a basketball court as well as a hoop right here. And they also have the actual crowd, the picture of the crowd from the dunk contest, the dunk contest that y'all know which one. This is what she considers their showcase location. So they get all kinds of releases here. Kind of similar to Jumpman LA. They get all kinds of releases, even though they're not like a crazy busy store. Still got the Barons right here. They got the Mochas as well that just released this morning. 140 for these. And just like the Jordan store, they got plenty. The 3s, low greens, the Olympic 6s right here, as well as the Oreos. Dude, I don't know how these are still around. And they're on sale too. They're on sale $135. And I believe you get an extra 20% off all the sales items right now. Let me confirm that with the workers. Yeah, I did confirm, do get 20% off all the sales items. So that drops that close to 100. That drops that close to 100 as well. And they do have the Kobe 9s right here. The Halos. I guess these weren't like super hard to get, but that is dope. That's dope. I kind of wish I grabbed these, but like I said, I can't really wear them, and I'm kind of done getting sneakers that I can't wear. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are dope, dude. I really wish I could grab all the Halos, like the 8s, the 9s, and then whatever else they release, but I can't wear the 8s or the 9s. So yeah, $210 for those. This is all the Nike basketball shoes right here. Now think about it, I don't think I've ever seen these KD 17s right here. $100 already, which means another 20% off. I think the sale goes on till the end of next week. When you guys watch this, it'll probably be the end of the following week. Yeah, and they got a few other KDs right here. These are 120. The USA color. This was one of the first ones, right? Oh my God, that is crazy. 90. You get an extra 20% off. Holy cow! So 72. And got the space colorway right here as well. 120 for these. Even the Barclays, the OG Barclays that were tough as hell to get when they released during the pandemic. 130. Another 20% off, so close to $100. Got this red white one right here. These are under 100. And then we got the Bad Bunny Gazelles right here. I didn't even know these were coming out, but pretty clean. Pretty clean, dude. They look different for, ooh. Got the sizing on the outside right here. These are definitely interesting. Then all y'all fools seem to be into Vomeros now. This is a pretty dope color. Pretty dope color with a little hit of gold, not too much. These bad boys are down to 120. Remember, you do get that extra 20 off. And look at this. This is the cheapest Vomeros you'll see anywhere. $72. $72 for Vomero 5s right there. We're hitting up a ton of the sale stuff because you get an extra 20 off. This goes up to $91, $92 something. There's a canvas one that I've never seen before. These both going for retail. Y'all want New Balances, 574s, $65. That brings that down to what, 50 something, right? Low 50s. These are down to $80 before the discount. These crazy 8s go for 90, 95 for the black and white, 90 for the blue and the gray. Crazy ones also go for $90. Remember, all these prices are before a 20% discount. So these go down to $72. Of course, they have one of the best selections of apparel. This is, I think, starter Mitchell & S. They even have jeans and stuff like that. Holy cow. They have high-end jeans like that, $2. I was not aware. Holy cow. All kinds of jeans here. And all kinds of dunks in the women's and grade school. Remember, we saw really steep discounts. Look at this, 55 for the women's Cortez right here. Like, we saw really $40. So these go down to what, 32 bucks? $32 for freaking Cortez. And that's the OG nylon one as well. Black and white down to $40 after the discount, all white. These go down to what, $32? And I checked, the last Chic I did go to, I did check to see what sizes they had on those. Jumpman LA, only a block down, but north from here. Definitely worth a stop. Make sure you guys check out Chic out in downtown LA. All right, I got a few minutes to check out this Footlocker where the window got busted, damn. And of course, with the flex stores, first thing I do look at is the 70% off section. And look at this. What? Dodger starter jacket, 70 effing% off. I think this is small. Yeah, this is a small. Holy cow. I don't see a price tag, but these normally go for what, 150 or something? So down to like $50? Yeah, I don't see a price tag. But 70% off of that, what the hell? And we got multiple sizes. Are you serious? Got mediums right here. Any of them got price tags on them? What's up? Come on, you guys. All right, they're making this way too hard for me to help them out and show people what's up. Yeah, they got a large here as well, dude. Other stuff, they got like Nike hoodies. Yeah, nothing too crazy. But that starter jacket, that is insane. That's insane. Okay, they got a Jordan little hoodie right here. These are all smalls. So $82. What's that go up to? What, 20, 25, 60? 24.60, my bad. I saw this from across the way. I was like, what? They got the 4s? They got the wet cement for it? No, those are NMDs. Got the Safari DNs right here, the Air Max DNs, that is. This colorway is definitely interesting. I don't know, a little too much for my blood. Definitely interesting with, how did they make that? How did they make that, dude? That's crazy. The little outside portions are orange, but man, that's crazy. Obviously they're machines, but crazy. All 3 colorways, including the OG colorway of the Diamond Turfs right here. I haven't seen these in a while, so that's pretty dope. Still going for regular price, $170. Then they got the 2 other new release right there. Hey, they didn't have the Zion 3s at Jumpman LA, did they? They have a couple of different colorways down to 80 freaking bucks. But after seeing these at the Footlocker outlet, I can't imagine buying them anywhere else. Got Jordan 3s right here. Comforts, going for the same price as Jumpman LA. And if you see Jordans here, a lot of them are going to be the same price as Jumpman LA because they're both Footlockers. They do have a kids section, continues right here, and then women's all the way over there. But I do have to go somewhere, so my bad, you guys, my bad. And I got a phone call. Damn. Bad Bunny Gazelles. I wasn't even aware these were coming out. Super clean plastic colorway. Midsole, outsole, all gum right here. I know Bad Bunny be loving that suede because every one of his shoes has that really long hair suede. Black 3 stripes on the lateral side as well as on the medial side. Got some skinny rope laces as well as leather all along the tongue. That's an interesting take on the back right there. Look at this, got the sizing on the outside. These bad boys going for $140. These are definitely interesting, man. Not bad. And of course they got the mochas here as well. They got graceful and men's sizes. And some of y'all wondering where this is. This is the Shiekh out in downtown LA. And of course we got a full video coming on the Cactus YouTube channel. Helping my boy with a little photography action today. What an interesting location though. Got the little spot right next to Jumpman LA. Get to see the little court right here. That's pretty cool.